Hi, Karmasarthi Society is again coming up with another employment opportunity for the people who are wanting to sit back and work from their home. So I'll start explaining the entire venture. Purva Bas is the name of the venture that is introduced by Incredible India Private Limited. So if it is a venture of Incredible India Private Limited, what is Karmasarathi doing in this venture? How is it involved? Must be your next question. Karmasarathi is a society which takes up a lot of projects on behalf of our clients, and we try and create a lot of employment opportunity for the people whoever is registered with us, or whoever in general are looking for job opportunities. We try and reach out to them and create as much employment as possible. So this is an NGO work that we do by Karmasarathi Society, and this is a venture that we are doing together with Incredible India. This is Karmasarathi, Incredible India, and Pura Bus is a project that we are doing it together with them. And Incredible India, it is a real estate company. Karmasarathi always works with companies which are very credible. It already has ISO certification 2015. You can see it over here. And even the layouts and ventures are also DTCP, proposed layout. These are not those ventures which are not yet legalized. And all these layouts also have LRS also released on them. That means you have all the clearance that is needed for construction purposes. But the thing is, not all real estate ventures are something that even if you have LRS also, they are not ready for you to move in and construct your land. So, as somebody who already has good enough knowledge on real estate, how these gated communities layouts and all those work, you have to invest in them. You have to wait a couple of years, and then when certain amount of sale is happening, then all the roads and other layout structures and all the facilities are constructed fully. That is when you can get it, because if a number of constructions are not there available, there is no use for us to go and construct our land over there, because even if we start living over there, we don't have the facilities such as potable water or the roads or nearby grocery markets or the schools that are there nearby where you can comfortably go and travel. So all these facilities needs a certain number of years, definitely not decades, but certain number of years. So anybody who's looking for good investment, so I request whoever is working with us as marketing executives to not look at people who are wanting to buy a plot for ready move-in sale. They are not the right customers for this particular venture. There are other kind of ventures where we have constructed plots already, and that you can target for these kind of customers who want it ready. I want to buy and I want to move in there, or I want to buy and I want to start construction. So this particular venture is not suitable for them. So the location of the venture will look somewhat like this. So this is the best way to explain the entire map for you to understand when your customers ask where exactly is it located in Hyderabad. So it's in the suburb of the Hyderabad, or even beyond the suburb of Hyderabad, because this until here Shamshabad you can actually call it a suburb, but beyond Shamshabad I don't think it's called suburb anymore. It's outskirts of Hyderabad. But apart from this ring road, since another proposed regional ring road is coming, with this entire development that is happening over here, all the facilities, all the location advantages, all the development that is happening over here is explained. With this development that is happening, this also will be considered as suburb of Hyderabad, or even Hyderabad as a part of Greater Hyderabad in the next couple of years. So here Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is located, and to the right of it, the entire area which you know this and this together, the Shamshabad development is there on either sides of the road, highway. And then beyond this you have Timapur, and beyond Timapur you have Kothur. After Kothur you will see Shadnagar, and from Shadnagar towards the right is what is called Chevalla Road. It's clearly explained over here, and Pargi Road after Pargi Road is an extension of Chevalla Road, and from that you see this Kondur village, but it does not start in the beginning of the village. Towards inside, the gate starts over here, but it is towards the inside. This is exactly where this site Pura Bas is located in. Kondur village is towards this side, and between Chevalla and this you see this thing. So this is the location, and more details you can see it over here, where the Huda township is there, where the Fab City is there, where Rajiv Nano Techno Park is there. And as far as I know, that even the zoological park also is announced to be shifted here from Old City. So the kind of plots that are available in this venture are divided into two, that is 150 square yards and 300 square yards. So 150 square yards is available with 60 feet road, and if somebody wants 300 square yards, it's only available with 100 feet road, and 300 square yard you have the possibility of getting something like northeast corner, and you have any other corner, like if not northeast corner, southeast corner, whichever corner that is there will be some extra charges for those special requests, and here you can see all those details, like any special request coming from the customer. How much is it charging per square yard, how much, somewhere between 100 to 200 per square yard. And here you can see there are four kinds of facilities for the customers to opt from, and clearly you have all this explanation, the breakdown is given here. And here I'll explain you that there are four kinds. One is direct, one is 6 months sale, one is 39 months, another one is 39 months special. Why 39 months is special? Again, you can find it here in the breakdown structure. And if it is direct, almost 1,50,000 of amount is lesser than compared to the 39 one and the 6 months one also. 1,50,000 or beyond that is lesser for somebody who wants to buy it on a direct basis. And then when it comes to team structure, you have to consider Karmasarathi as marketing manager in the entire structure that you can see over here. Marketing manager comes above marketing executive. So after that comes marketing executives. Let's say example, here we are taking two for the explanation basis. Here, marketing executive can hire as many people. There is no limit there is no under limit over here. There is no cap on this. How many ever you think that you need under you can hire them as marketing officers. And below them, there is no structure available within the company policies, because as far as Incredible India, this is the policy of Incredible India. This is not the policy of Karmasarathi. You should note that. Because if we want, we can actually facilitate more number of people in the structure, but this is company policy and we cannot change anything from that. So after marketing manager executive, this executive has to be registered with us officially, and these registrations will be registered with Incredible India directly. So this marketing executive, since he is registered with Incredible India, this person will always standard get 46,000 per sale. And if at all this marketing executive feels that he does not have enough the connections or the contacts needed for making that, you have to be quite social in order to make those contacts and connections and see to it that you make at least one sale per month so that you get that money. But if at all, if somebody thinks that I actually need this money, I want this job, but actually right now do not have time to socialize with people, or right now I do not have enough connections, or I'm not a social person, I might not be the right fit, but I want this opportunity for making some money, you can always choose for this option where you have marketing officers under you. But if at all you're maintaining this professional relationship with your friends, just for the sake of friendship basis, and you want to do some favor for them, or they want to do some favor to you, and it's completely on mutual understanding basis, then the company does not recommend any registration. If there is no registration, the benefit is for marketing executive, because whenever these people make any sale, it is up to you. You decide how much you want to pay them. But if at all these people do not go on that level of trust basis on you and actually want to be integrated with the company itself, so that they also will want to have some credibility and guarantee of payment, that is when the marketing officers also will be registered with Incredible India, and these people will standard get 23,000 and you will get 23,000, half of the sale that happens. So this is purely in the hands of marketing executive, and the company does not force you that you have to register these people. It is completely your choice. And any of these marketing officers who wants to give it to more number of people under them, this kind of structure is not available only with the company for registration, and all these people will be considered as independent agents. Now for direct sale, it is 46,000 like I explained to you. But 46,000, if at all, it is direct sale, like I explained over here. But there are other EMI options, 39 months, and also 24 months when it comes to EMI option. In that case, this 46,000 will be divided by 24 months, and this 46,000 will be divided by 39 months. Based on the calculation, how much ever you can calculate the amount that will come on both of these things, and whatever decimals system that you find over there, you can always make it as a round figure. And this will be a continuous income for anybody who's doing a EMI sale. Because if they take 24 months, all that amount the company is not receiving by the customer. You might have a doubt that why 24 months, why not give us a 46,000? Because when it is EMI, when it is direct sale, all the amount company is getting from that, the money is being credited to you. But when it is EMI, the company itself is not receiving this amount from the customer immediately, so they cannot disperse that amount from their pocket. Whenever the customer is making that EMI payment, whether it's 15,000, 17,000, based on the different structures that we have over here, from that amount, our percentage will be deducted, and whenever they are paying, then we get. But just in case if there is a customer who had paid for 10 months and then 11th month they are not paying that EMI anymore, that is when you lose the money. So that whatever 10 months you have received the amount, that will not be asked back from you, but from the 11th month this will be forfeited. You will no more receive any amount from this sale. So to bring the right customers for EMI sale is again your responsibility, because you are the person who will be benefited or will be at loss. So these people who are there, whoever you are hiring, what happens if it is 23,000, so then per sale EMI for ME will be 23,000 divided by 24, 23,000 divided by 39, and the same happens for the marketing officers also. So beyond this, if at all if you have any doubts, by sitting back at home, work from home facility is there. So sitting back at home, how are you supposed to create any leads, and how are you supposed to go out and market it to somebody, how are you supposed to advertise? You have all the advertising platforms available to you, so you have to purely use your connections, because apart from finding the connections from your side, there is no other work that is available for the marketing executive, because marketing executive or marketing officer is not the person who is taking the customers to the site. Company does it. Even if you cannot do, company will still do it. So there is no traveling involved. So traveling is not involved, and the layout is not, none of the headache of any of the marketing team. So all the details over here are purely explained to the customer whenever the company is taking the interested customer to the site. So none of this effort is there on the marketing team. So the only thing that you have to do is that you have to raise these connections and contacts through whatever platforms that you have online, or by email marketing, or by SMS marketing, or by calling, direct calling, cold calling, or using your social media platform, or the connections that you have, contacts of contacts, friends of friends, friends of your cousins, friends of your relatives. This is how you have to find the connections, and you are supposed to make it a sale. You have to turn your leads into interested candidates. After interested candidates are sent to the site, if they are not interested, again that sale will not be converted into your pockets. So if you want this to actually make money for you on a monthly basis, you have to make sure that you are building credible leads. So if you do not want to waste much time onto these things, you have to make sure that all the leads that you are getting, you have to make sure you talk to them 4 to 5 times and make sure that they are actually interested. So that is when the company will invest in taking them to the site. Because after 4 to 5 times of taking interested candidates from one particular marketing executive, and if they are not turning into sale, based on the ratio at least one interested customer out of 10 site visits, then the company will start not considering any interest or leads coming from any of the marketing executive or even marketing officer as well. So any other doubts that you have, particularly that sitting back, how you're supposed to turn those leads into your customers, and if at all if you need any mentorship, you have me over here from Karmasarity. And beyond this, if you have more doubts, and you always have a person called Jay Kishan, who is from Incredible India itself. This is for more credibility for your sake, and this person will be a better person to mentor you, just in case if you are finding one particular customer who is very difficult for you to make that person understand why it is very important. Just in case if they're interested and you're thinking that this will definitely turn into a sale, just in case if you have the mentorship and support of this person from directly the company itself. If any other doubts you have, you can directly contact me on the number that is